Guys, I will be doing an unboxing on another thing I bought. So, di ba pati ito ina-unbox ko? Yay! So, kailangan natin to. Kailangan nating merong paglagyan ng ating hair. Because this is the hair grips or hairpin. And it is, oh, it's really 400 pieces. Ganito kaliit, 400 pieces na siya. Sorry kung maputi yung lips, kung maputi yung aking. Let's try this. The lip serum. Ang social ng feels. I love it. Tapos ang lamig. Ang cool. Ang cool niya sa bibig. I love it. And let's try this. Okay, nice. Diba? May mga white something. Pwede mo pa yung i-flatten. Gamitin mo yung kamay mo. Para yung kilay mo is maging ayan. Okay, I love it. Thank you for watching. Bye.